our student, she got placed recently. She'll share some experience.
Hello, I am Sahana. I recently graduated in the stream of Information Science and Engineering from Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. So I joined PySpiders in the midweek of June by taking Python full stack testing. And the Python is taken by Keshav sir, and manual testing is taken by Gopi sir and Pradeep sir, and Selenium is taken by Lakshmi sir, and SQL is taken by Murli sir. And here the training helps me to crack the interview, and trainers are very knowledgeable and supportive, and the topics how they explain is very better in the better way, like they will give in the real time examples which helps us to understand in better way. And the presentation and the boot camps helps me very lot in my communication and all, and also the mock interviews which helps me to clear the interview. And I would like to thank PySpiders for guiding me in my career. Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, congrats and all the best.
Thank you.